Welcome to Story Time. My name is Charles Schwen and I'm a storytelling sales coach. I was chatting to a friend of mine and we were just exchanging different stories that happened on video conferencing. And she said to me, "Oh boy, I have to tell you this story." And she said to me, while she's doing a training session with one of her biggest clients, there were 30 staff in there and everybody's super focused and engaging. And her 5-year-old son that got stuck on the toilet starts yelling, "Mommy, somebody wipe my bum! Somebody wipe my bum! Somebody wipe my bum!" I don't know what you would do, but she froze. And then she just burst out in laughter, and so did everybody else. She said to me, "Charles, I will never, ever, ever forget that session." And you know what? Neither did her clients. They were so inspired. They asked her to start blogging, and then people start contributing to the articles about what happens, the good and bad and ugly and the funny that happens during video conferencing. And she was able to use that and build an even better relationship. And I remember Trevor Noah doing a recent interview talking about humor. How when humor is used correctly, it builds context. It's basically saying, I'm inviting you into my life. So when you share, people start sharing. Because this is the thing that I've seen over the years. People do business with people. Not with faceless corporations, but with people. So next time, if something funny happens during your video conferencing, use that to start building even better relationship. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe. Till next time.